What's gonna YouTube, it's your boy LB, and today in this video I just want to show you how I create the 3D floating icon inside Adobe After Effects. Guys, you have to have two main things. You have to shoot video in this way, and then you have to take the screenshot of that frame, depend what kind of the device that you are using. For me, I'm using this phone. I take the screenshot of this frame and then I import it in Adobe Photoshop to separate icon per layer, one icon per layer. Okay, so now, and I export as PNG format. Is this PNG which I'm going to use in Adobe After Effects. So now let's jump on in After Effects. Let's see how the stuff it is. Okay guys, so now let me jump on in Adobe After Effects. Okay, let me import my video clip. Yeah, this is my video clip. Let me import it and then let me drag it here on this sequence icon. Guys, the sequence is already created. Okay, and this is how my video clip is. Yeah, that's good. So go here on effect preset and then search the effect called 3D camera track, 3D camera track, and then drop it here on this video clip. Okay, you see, you have to wait like a few little bit. It is initializing. Okay, my video has 205 frames. Okay, it is too short, not long. Okay, so it's done, guys. As you see, I received some tracking points on my video clip. Okay, you see how the point it is. The things I'm going to do, I'm going to select those tracking point which is on my phone screen. Okay, I have to select it all. Okay, because I'm going to track this screen. Yeah, right click and then create here on create solid and camera. Okay guys, as you see, I received some track solid. Okay, so this is how my track solid is. When I open up on it, you see I will use those three settings: X, Y, and Z rotation. Okay, for rotating my tracking solid. Okay, so let me try to arrange it well. Okay, I have to fit it well with this screen, this phone screen. Okay, something like this. Okay, and you have to use, as I said, those three settings: X, Y, and Z rotation. Okay, to fit it well on this phone screen. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and you can use the selective tool. Okay, yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. And guys, you have to take your time to fit it well. Depend if you're using screen, tablet, any kind of any device you have. Okay, so guys, you see when I'm playing, you see this track solid is going with my screen. So now come again and then search the effect called grid. When I put this grid on this track solid, guys, you see I have some column and low lines on my screen. Yeah, you can increase this border of it. Okay, yeah guys, you see, yeah, that's so pretty guys, this tracking effect. It is so good. Okay, so and let me close this track solid eye. And okay, so now I received this. Okay, let me mute it all. Okay, fine. So and back here on the project, I'm going to import that PNG image. They have been created in Adobe Photoshop. I have 8 images which is in PNG format, guys. Okay, come here on a composition and let me create the new composition, guys. Okay, let me call it as image. So this composition, it is called the composition image. Okay guys, so now I'm going to select those all images and then I have to put it on this composition. Okay, you see how my image it is, guys, so pretty guys. Okay, select it all and then click on S to resize. Let me try to resize out. To resize out, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is good. So the things I'm going to do, guys, you have to know this. Each image, it must have some anchor point. Okay. So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to put the anchor point on the center of that image. So I have to click here on this icon of anchor point, and then I have to put, for example, when I'm on this image 8. Okay, sorry, this is image 8 on down, and then this is image 7. I have to put anchor point on the center of this PNG image. Guys, you have to do it for all image you have. Okay. Yeah, let me speed up. Okay, yeah, it's done. And then after this, you have to enable this 3D icon. And after enable this 3D icon, guys, I'm going to create the null object. Okay, right click and then create the null object, and then put this null object here on the top of this image. And then also you have to enable the 3D icon. And then let me select all those images I have to link with this null one using this parent link. Okay, guys, you see my image. Hey, bro, it's so good. And select it all and with null object, and let me back here on this main composition, and I'm going to paste. Yeah, I have been copied it, and then I have to paste here on this main composition, and move this track solid here on the top of this image. And then after this, guys, you have to move up this track solid one here, and I have to link this null one with this track solid one. I hold shift, guys, you have to remember this. Okay, just you have to hold the shift, and then you have to link this null with this track solid one, right? So now come here on this null one, and then let me back here on none for this parent link, and let me open up scale for this null. Guys, you see how my image is, it is in bad rotation. Okay, so, and I'm going to use that my 3 settings, X, Y, and Z rotation for rotating. Okay, so let me try to rotate it well as possible. Yep. I have to use X, Y, and Z rotation. You see how the stuff is, guys. Okay, okay, guys, so now I'm going to do it one by one. Okay, so I have to do it one by one by arranging it well to put it in the right place. Okay, you see, one by one. That's a simple trick. Okay, so when you're done, and then when you're done for those 1, 2, you have to use this opacity, okay, in order to be looks like something which is on my screen. Okay, and they have to resize it well for this image 1 and image 2. Opacity to reduce this opacity, yeah, something like this, and try to resize it well. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, guys, so close this image, and then when you play, guys, you see that there's nothing which is on screen. Okay, so the things I'm going to do, I'm going to animate that image is already on light press. So now select all 8 images, okay, and then you have to click P for position, and when you add the position here, guys, automatically the keyframe will be added for all images. Okay, so now let me move this blue line like here. You have to jump like a few frames, and then you have to move up this image like this. Okay, I have to move up this image. Okay, something like this, guys. Okay, and let me try to arrange in this way. One I have to put it on high, another one I have to put it on down, high, down, high, down. Yeah, something like that. Okay, yeah. That's the simple way, and it will be looks good, guys. Okay, yeah, when I try to do like this, okay, you see how this image is moving up. Okay, and select those all keyframe. I'm going to smooth it. Okay, so let me just move forward. So let me select it all and right click on it, then go here on keyframe assistant, easy, F9 for shortcut, and then open up this graph. Yeah, it helps your keyframe to be smoothed well, depend how you have been edited. Okay, so let me try my way. Yeah, this is my way that I choose. So, and I have to arrange this keyframe in this way. Okay, it will not be animating on the same time. Okay, so let me try to move one behind, another one the front. So let me, I forgot this keyframe. Okay, so let me smooth this one too. Oh shit, let me smooth those one which is remains. Okay, and then easy, all F9 to smooth, and then let me do it like the first one. Okay, yeah, this is good. And then you have to move one behind and move another one the front. Yeah, something like that. When you play, guys, you see how this image is animated, guys. That's so pretty, man. Okay, you can understand. Yeah, that's so good. Okay, guys, this is how you can animating this image by tracking. Okay, so close all image layers. The things I'm going to do, I'm going to add some blurriness on my screen. Okay, so now click here on this track solid one, enable this icon. Okay, and then you have to open up this eye for this track solid one, and then go here on effect, search the effect called Gaussian blur. Guys, you know Gaussian blur. Okay, so when I drag it on this track solid one, okay, so, and I'm going to mute this repeat edge pixel. So guys, I'm going to find where all this image it had been moving up. Okay, so, and I have to add the keyframe here. Okay, and then I have to increase this brightness. Okay, you see how the things is, you can increase the more brightness or too short brightness, depend what kind of the effect you are doing. Okay, so now let me open up this Gaussian blur effect. So guys, you see I have been added one keyframe here. So now let me add another keyframe here by resetting. Okay, you have to click on reset. This is where the this is where this effect will be started. So now, and they have to smooth this keyframe of this Gaussian blue, and remember that you have to move down this Gaussian blue under this image, okay? Because it must be under of this image. When you play, guys, you see how this effect is looking good, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. This is how you can create this 3D rotating app inside Adobe After Effects. Comment, like, and see you in next video. Peace.